Welcome to Nexans Accessories Erembodegem site. Core to energy transition, powered by people. A manufacturing site augmented by engineering and robotization. Over the past 55 years, Nexans Accessories has built on the strong brand of the Euromold grid connectors to establish itself as a key player in the accessories market. Our Nexans Accessories reputation is built up over years of technological leadership, enabled by our state-of-the-art manufacturing plant and lab, our commitment to innovation, and the dedication of our people. Our customers and partners are growing their business worldwide. Nexans is investing in people, plant, and innovation to lead the energy transition. With a greener production site, more sustainable products, and engaged employees to support our mission to electrify the future with impact, we're supporting the essential needs for power grids, from advanced 3D product and process design to real-life impact for our customers. Our solutions power the grid infrastructure behind solar farms, wind turbines, and the broader renewable energy ecosystem, helping to accelerate the energy transition one connection at a time. Safety and quality are embedded in everything we do. Thanks to our independent certified testing laboratory, eLab, we are ensuring the highest standards for our customers. Our dedicated customer service team is supporting every day our clients with precision, speed, and expertise. At Nexans Erembodegem, more than 330 people, one of the largest manufacturing sites of Nexans, bring their own story and strengths. With deep experience and new generations of talents side by side, our teams combine resilience with innovation. Welcome to Nexans Accessories Erembodegem site. Core to energy transition, powered by people.